Okay, so it's OSB day. We've got our hangers, so we are ready to get these guys installed, get the blocking in, and then get the OSB up there.
Yeah, so we'll start with the hangers first. We'll get those up on the rafters, and then we'll start the blocking. We have our rafters are 2x10, so with the blocking we're going to use are going to be 2x8. It's about a 2-inch difference. The reason we're doing that route is so we can start venting that roof. We'll put the little vent thing, the little baffles in there, so air will flow through and come out the ridge.
Right? All right. Yep.
So then we'll do the OSB. I did, if you all looked at old videos, all the OSB on the A-frame itself all the way up there. So I think today's Aaron's turn to start the OSB on the dormer.
I have a feeling you guys are going to see me sliding right off that roof if that's the case.
Oh, jeez. I'll do it then.
All right, you ready to start carrying some OSB?
That's your job. I'm up top. You got to carry it and throw it up.
He needs my muscle, guys.
I do. It's all in the glutes. All right, now it's your turn. You think you can handle these?
I'll give it a shot.
All right, come on.
All right, this side?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay, keep my butt out of the screen, please. That's not an easy feat. Is that good?
Yeah, I put the nail right in the bottom first. Don't hit your finger now.
I'm afraid I'm gonna hit my finger.
Well, hit it in. Move that thumb.
Move it?
Yeah, I know it's the size of a sausage link, but go ahead.
Hey, that wasn't too bad.
All right, I need you to go around, lean over, and hit those in.
Lean over.
You want me to do it? Maybe that's about to do it.
I got this.
All right, just don't fall. That's about you losing your balance now.
I used to be a ballerina, Josh.
I get it, but his knees buckle under pressure too, though. An A for effort.
Okay.
I mean, I'll give you a C.
A C?
I mean, it's average. C's average.
Average?
I mean, you've been building this house for a year now. Average.
I'm not happy with that.
No.
No. You don't let me get my hands on that hammer enough.
Get your hands on the hammer this morning.
You picking a wedgie?
What?
Are you picking a wedgie?
Nails in my back pocket.
You're
Relax. Nails in my back pocket. Sometimes I nail this in properly, you know?
Alright, see ya. Have a good day. Don't fall off the ridge.
All right, fantastic job up there, okay?
What can I say?
Proud of you. All right, so the next thing we gotta do is we gotta put the blocking in for the rafters. Center of those rafters are 16 inches, so the inside dimensions will be 14 and a half. So we need to cut a bunch of those blocks at 14 and a half, and we'll start nailing them in. So let's tag team this thing.
Yes.
You cut, I nail.
That I can handle.
Okay, and I nail tonight too. You in? I'm in.
Yeah.
Excellent. Frame the window up and OSB, and that's it.
Okay, so we are going to be framing up for 2 windows. The windows are gonna go right here and this peak up here above the door. So that's what we're getting ready to get framed up, and then we can get the OSB on the dormer roof.
Whoa, missed me. Oh, in the gut. Gut shot.
Good shot, hit. Oh, we're under fire. Go, 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 go. Oh.
Alright, so we framed up above the door for the triangle windows. We underestimated how much lumber we need. We're about 2 pieces too short. Just at the top where it goes up towards the peak, I wanted to bring it down another 1.5 inches so the window frame has enough clearance from the eave overhang, which is going to go outside there where I guess the soffit's going to be at. So we're going to go ahead and install the OSB for the roof instead. We messed up big time. Got to cut that side. So, the pain getting it up here, I'm gonna put my saw up here, run it up, not a big deal. But, it happens.
When I was young, I thought control would lead me to an ending road. And heavy metal seemed to be the only thing that worked for me. And I saw the angels coming down, and they sang a song and sang it loud. And I still remember parts of it, and the yellow glory of the wind.
Push up. Up, 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 up. Alright. You can push that piece up.
Yeah. That's a little piece. I can get that in there.
Push it through.
Yeah.
Now go like this, and then you hold it underneath right there, and good. Now whammo, 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 like that. Alright, now assume your position.
Oh my gosh. Don't worry guys, I'm just on top of one roof. Wants me to climb down, go climb up on top of the other roof. You know? He's high maintenance, guys. I'm telling you.
Watch yourself now, you look too, go to your left.
Huh.
Oh! Throw in your butt and you got a lot of cushion there, so you'll be fine.
I'll never forget that time I slipped on the ice. I didn't even feel it, dude. I fell so hard.
You bounced right back up on your feet, didn't you? Oh, you got it.
low down. You're good enough?
That's good right there. How's that look for you?
The roof sheathing is done. I'm so glad that that is over with. That is one of the hardest parts of the build.
Yeah, especially on the A-frame we did that. It's awful. So get up there is not a fun project for me. I'm kind of scared of heights. I really don't like it up there. We made it happen. We did the top portion, came down. The bottom portion we didn't do. We still got to figure out how we're going to tie the new dormer roof to the existing roof.
Yes.
We should be able to figure it out without an issue.
Yep.
But the next step is wrapping the dormer in the roof.
Yes, and for that we're going to be renting a machine, and then while we have that machine, we're just going to knock out the metal roofing at the same time.
Yeah, so we're gonna get a small, I guess, small boom lift we're gonna rent from down the road. So, and we'll bang it out. So what else we got going on?
Then we're going to be heading back inside once all of that is taken care of. We're not going to be doing the siding right now.
Not until we get the windows put in. So we got 2 windows next to the doors, and we have 2 triangle windows up top we're gonna put in also for some more sunlight to shine that beautiful face of yours.
Oh my goodness.
So what else we got?
And then I think at the same time we're hoping that those windows come in. The windows for the front of the house are also gonna
windows.
Yeah.
All right,
which
good.
is really exciting because I feel like that's going to change the whole look of the house, because the front is so ugly right now with just the wrap and the plywood and all of that. So that's pretty exciting. We can let all the light in and really see the beautiful view. So that's going to be a moment.
Yeah.
All right. So I guess that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching.
Yep. Thanks. See ya.